What if I told you? You could enter a trade 15 seconds before the price even moves. Not guessing, not hoping, reading the market before it happens. Most traders are sitting there, waiting for a candle to close, waiting for that confirmation. And by the time they finally click, the move is already over. They're always one step behind. Today, I'm going to change that for you. I'm showing you the exact combo I personally use on Pocket Option. I call it the Accelerator Awakening. And it comes down to just two indicators that, on their own, are good. But together, they become something completely different. They basically argue with each other until they finally agree. And when they agree, that's your money moment. I'm going to break down exactly how to use the Accelerator Oscillator paired with the Alligator indicator for precision 1-minute trades. And make sure you stay until the end, because I'll be showing you exactly what the perfect setup looks like on a live chart, plus the one specific mistake that traps most beginners and costs them trades they should have won. Quick reminder before we dive in. Trading binary options carries real risk, and everything in this video is for educational purposes to help you sharpen your own skills. Always practice on a demo account first. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, let's set up the trap. Here is exactly what you need on your screen. First, change your candle time frame to 15 seconds and set your trade expiry to exactly 1 minute. Next, we're adding our two indicators. First up is the Accelerator Oscillator, or AC. Leave this entirely on its default settings. This is our secret weapon. Here's why it's special. It doesn't show you what the price is doing right now. It shows you what momentum is doing before the price reacts. It's a leading indicator. It moves first, and price follows. Second, add the Alligator indicator, also on its default settings. Jaws at 13, teeth at 8, and lips at 5. Think of the alligator like a sleeping animal. When those three lines are tangled together, the market is sleeping. Do not trade. But the second those lines start to separate and cross, the alligator is waking up. It's hungry. And hungry means movement. Now let's talk about the actual entries. And these rules are strict. Both conditions must be present at the same time. Not one. Both. For a sell trade, here's what you're waiting for. The alligator lines are crossing, and the blue line, the jaws, is sitting on top. That's your first signal. Bearish structure is forming, but you don't enter yet. You wait for the AC to confirm it. The moment the AC prints two consecutive red bars crossing below the zero line, that's momentum flipping negative. Price hasn't dropped yet, but it's already decided to. Enter immediately. No hesitation. For a buy trade, it's the exact mirror image. Alligator lines crossing, but this time the blue line is on the bottom. Bullish structure. AC prints two consecutive green bars crossing above zero. Momentum just turned positive. Enter right away. The reason this setup works so well on 15-second candles is pure timing. You're not reacting to the move. You're already positioned inside it. By the time the average trader on a 1-minute chart even sees a signal forming, you've already entered and your trade is moving in your direction. And I want to be straight with you. No strategy wins every single trade. Anyone telling you otherwise isn't being honest. What this setup does is stack the probability in your favor. Two independent confirmations lining up at the same moment. That's the difference between trading smart and trading on hope. But here's the part most people skip over. And it's honestly just as important as the entry rules. Don't take every signal. The best setups show up when the market has clean, clear direction. When candles are moving with purpose, not bouncing sideways. When the alligator's mouth is opening, not closing back up. If it's messy, if it looks choppy, if you're second-guessing what you're seeing, just skip it. The next clean setup is coming. Patience is part of the strategy. To make practicing this easier, I've put together a free step-by-step checklist, PDF. Everything we just covered, laid out so you can run through it in seconds before every trade. You can grab it from my Telegram channel. Link is in the description below. Now let's pull up the chart and watch this play out in real trading conditions. Exactly what a perfect setup looks like, Liv. Let's break down this live setup I just spotted on the charts, because this is a textbook example of the Accelerator Awakening in action. Notice how the market was hovering, but our indicators were already telling us exactly what was about to happen. Look closely at the alligator indicator. Those lines are just starting to cross and separate, with the blue line positioning itself right on top to give us that perfect bearish alignment. But we don't just jump in blindly. We need our secret weapon to confirm. Look down at the Accelerator Oscillator, Right on cue, it printed those consecutive red bars pushing aggressively below the zero line. The momentum flipped negative before the price even fully reacted. The conditions were met perfectly, so I immediately locked in a precise 1-minute sell trade. Now watch what happens next. Immediately after entry, the price begins to react and move downward. Notice how the candles start pushing lower while the alligator lines begin opening in the same direction. This is exactly what we want to see, alignment between structure and momentum. Also look at the Accelerator Oscillator. It continues printing red bars, confirming that the bearish momentum is still active. This tells us the move is not random. It's supported by momentum. And there it is. A flawless execution as the timer hits 0. The candle closes beautifully below our entry mark, securing a clean and stress-free profit. This wasn't luck. It was simply waiting patiently for the perfect setup and acting on it with total discipline. Now this is a completely different trade, and I want you to notice how different the chart feels compared to the last one. Look at the alligator lines. They've been tangled and flat. The market was sleeping, going nowhere. I was just watching, waiting, not touching anything. And then something shifts. The lines begin to separate, and this time the blue line is dropping to the bottom. That's bullish alignment forming. The buyers are starting to take over, but I still don't move. I wait for the AC to speak. And there it is. 2 consecutive green bars printing above the 0 line. Momentum has officially flipped positive. The market hasn't pushed up hard yet, but the AC already told us it's coming. Both conditions confirmed. I placed the buy trade immediately. Clean entry, clear signal, 0 hesitation. As the seconds count down, you can see exactly why this Accelerator Awakening strategy is so incredibly powerful. We caught the momentum shift early, and now the price is surging upwards exactly as we anticipated. Look at how wide the alligator's mouth is opening now. It is completely feeding on this bullish trend. Down below, the AC continues to pump out tall green bars, confirming that the buyers are completely dominating this upward push. And right on time, the timer expires and we lock in another beautiful clean profit. Now, I want to show you something that most traders on YouTube are completely afraid to share. A losing trade. At first glance, this sell setup looked absolutely flawless and followed all of our basic rules. The alligator's lines were crossing exactly as we want them to, showing that initial bearish alignment. Down below, the Accelerator Oscillator printed those bold red bars pushing right below the 0 line, screaming that negative momentum was taking over. Seeing the Accelerator Awakening conditions met, I executed a 1-minute sell trade right on this candle. It looked like a guaranteed drop. But watch closely as the seconds tick down, because this is exactly where the market will humble you if you aren't paying full attention. Instead of dropping aggressively like our winning trades, the price immediately stalls out and whipsaws in the opposite direction. The alligator tries to open its mouth downward, but the momentum completely dies out. You can literally see the candles violently rejecting the downward push and rallying fiercely against our position. We are suddenly trapped on the wrong side of the move, and the market is showing us exactly who is in charge. As the timer hits 0, the trade closes out as a clear, undeniable loss. So what went wrong? Here is the crucial lesson that traps so many beginners. We blindly followed the indicators and completely ignored the underlying market structure. If you zoom out and look slightly to the left, you will see that we fired a sell signal directly into a massive, established support level. Indicators are incredible tools, but they will never outsmart a concrete floor in the market. Bouncing off support is a reality of trading. I share these raw, unfiltered moments on Sam Trading Strategies because learning what not to do is just as critical as knowing when to enter. If you appreciate this level of total transparency and want to learn how to dodge these exact traps, hit that subscribe button right now and join our growing community of smart traders. All right, traders, that is the Accelerator Awakening strategy in a nutshell. We covered the perfect buy setups, the flawless sell setups, and exactly why you must always respect market structure and support levels so you don't get trapped by a false signal. Remember, trading is not about being right 100% of the time. It is about stacking the odds in your favor, waiting for momentum to align, and having the discipline to walk away when the chart is a mess. If you want to master this exact strategy, don't forget to grab that free step-by-step checklist I put together for you. The link to join my Telegram channel is right down in the description below. And for those of you who are ready to take your trading to the next professional level, head over to amcourses.com. That is where I share my deep dive training, like my top 10 premium binary strategies course, along with custom tools to help you find that extra edge in the market. If you got value out of today's live breakdown, do me a huge favor. Smash that like button, subscribe to Sam Trading Strategies, and drop a comment below letting me know what indicator or strategy you want me to test for you next. As always, keep your risk managed, practice on your demo account until you see consistent results, and trade smart. I will see you in the next video.